Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. We're taking a look at Viasat, the satellite internet provider found at viasat.com. While Viasat aims to deliver internet access to those in underserved areas, particularly rural locations where traditional broadband isn't readily available, it's important to understand the nuances of their service. This isn't a simple plug-and-play solution, and potential subscribers need to be aware of the various plans, data limits, and equipment requirements before committing. Factors such as latency, which can significantly impact activities like online gaming or video conferencing, are inherent in satellite internet technology and should be considered. Additionally, installation can be more complex compared to other internet options, often involving professional setup and specialized equipment. Understanding the contractual obligations, including early termination fees, is also crucial. While Viasat offers a valuable service for those with limited alternatives, it's essential to go in with a realistic understanding of both the benefits and limitations inherent in satellite-based internet access. This means being aware of potential data throttling after exceeding certain usage thresholds and managing your data consumption accordingly. Different plans offer varying levels of speed and data allowance, so carefully evaluating your needs is paramount. Don't hesitate to explore user reviews and forums for first-hand accounts of Viasat's performance in your specific area. This can provide valuable insights into the actual speeds and reliability you can expect. Ultimately, making an informed decision based on your individual internet requirements and location is key to a satisfactory experience with Viasat or any satellite internet provider. Remember to thoroughly research and compare available options before making a commitment.